Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So are you a fan of coconut chips, or do you call it coconut candies, whatever you call it? So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a coconut candy. Hey guys, you can see the way I cut that other one. I'm going to using that particular one for a banana bread recipe. Feel free to cut into your desired shape, whatever shape and sizes you want it. feel free to cut it, okay? So right here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, okay? If you're a fan of sugar, or maybe you like sugar, you can add more sugar. But if you don't want to use sugar, you can go ahead to add your honey or maybe your golden syrup, okay? Hey guys, so I want to use this medium to thank all my returning subscribers, okay? I really want to appreciate you guys for always supporting me and for always coming back to watch our videos. For my new subscribers, you are highly welcome, and if you just clicked on this video, you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel because we have amazing recipes to share with you guys, okay? So guys, I will go ahead to set it on my burner, and make sure you are doing this on a low heat, very low, okay? I will continue to stir until I achieve my desired result. So guys, you will continue to stir this, okay? Make sure your heat is not too high and not too low, okay? This process is actually going to take a little time, like 30 to 35 minutes before everything will be well done, okay? You just need to exercise patience and continue stirring it until you achieve the desired result, okay? So guys, if you have really watched to this particular point, I really want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching till this point, okay? You can see that our coconut chips, or you can call it coconut candy, is ready, okay? If you still want it more darker, you can keep turning the heat, but I'm okay with what I am seeing. And thank you for watching. You can see that it is crispy and so sweet. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you, okay? Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have not given this video a thumbs up, okay? I love you all and appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.